Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about YouTube automation for beginners. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now, let's dive right in. So, imagine running a YouTube channel like a boss without actually being in the seen in the spotlight. No face on camera, no recording yourself. That's the deal. And that's YouTube automation basically. YouTube's loaded with creators raking in cash like Mr. Beast, who've got $100 million a year. But here, you don't have to put your face in every video, and that's where YouTube automation swoops in. I will be teaching you some steps on how you can create your own YouTube automation videos and start. Basically, you can create your own videos if you would like to. Meaning to say, you edit your own videos, you record your own videos, and you do the research on your own. Another way you can create a YouTube automation video is by outsourcing and hiring people to create your videos. Basically, this is the easiest way in order for you to accumulate money. And here, you need to follow these steps in order for you to create your own YouTube automation video. First, do some research and nail a killer video topic and title. So basically, here you need to have an enticing title for people to look onto your video, and also like for them to be interested in looking up in the video. Second, write up a script or a solid video outline. This is the backbone of your video. So basically, the content of your video lies on your script. Next, after creating the script, you need to record a voiceover. Yes, you're the master of your voice. However, one thing's good is that you don't need to record yourself on camera. Next is you need to sprinkle some visual magic on your video. Edit like a pro. Make sure that it is very visually enticing and appealing to your audience. And lastly, all you need to do is to craft a killer thumbnail. And with the thumbnail, it will make them click and want to watch your YouTube video. So that's also one very important part. Now, once you have followed these steps, you would actually accumulate a lot of views, which will turn into money. And that's how you can create your own YouTube automation video. Hope this answers your question, and thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.